Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth Mowo, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite websites that can help you generate an income from the comfort of your home. And when I mean comfort, I mean anywhere you are in the world. This website makes it possible for you to work remotely. So guys, I'm going to introduce to you Appen. So this website, it can be accessed through any browser of your choice. My recommendation to you is use Chrome or any other browser that you have, and just go to the search bar and type Appen. And this is the page that you're going to be brought to. As you can see, Appen is a legit company. As you can see, it was founded in 1996. And you can see it operates in 130 countries, and so far it has 400,000 work at home contractors. So this is a real company, as you can see, and it also has a real CEO, guys. And it has been founded here in Australia, basically Sydney, Australia. So guys, with the basic answered, let's get to how Appen works. So guys, with Appen, you can become an Appen contractor, a contractor with Appen, and work from home. And guys, these are the type of jobs that you're going to do once you join Appen, like search engine, social media evaluator, transcription jobs, translation, annotation, evaluation, and surveys, and even data. So how do you join Appen, guys? It's free to join Appen. You just have to sign up an account and join. So guys, as you can see, these are the general requirements. You have to be at least 18 years of age, have a working computer that's running on Google. As you can see, you remember when I said I'd recommend Chrome, because that's what Appen recommends. And then you can also have a smartphone, because they also do have a mobile app that you can do or some of their tasks on their mobile app. You need to be self-motivated, self-driven, and organized, because some of the projects will require you to be very attentive, and that's something that you need to have. So guys, I want to go through the frequently asked questions with you. And these are the frequently asked questions. How do you earn money? You being a contributor, you choose the tasks that you want to have once you have signed up. So guys, to create an account, you just have to go and click here, apply, and then they will bring you to this page. If you've signed up with them, you can just go already here to sign in. Have an account, sign in, that's where you can go to. So guys, this is how now you make money through Appen. Once you've signed up, they give you browse through their many tasks that they will give to you to choose from, and then you apply for this task. And then once you have been approved, and then you assign that task, that project. It might be a long project or a short project, depending with the type of project you've selected. Once you have done and submitted that project, then you're going to be notified that yeah, you succeeded, or your project has passed, and then you're going to be paid. From your dashboard, you're going to choose My Invoices tab, and then that's where you see all your payments. Guys, the other frequently asked question is, how do you get paid? Guys, you get paid via Payoneer, and if by any chance you don't have a Payoneer account, or maybe a PayPal account, depending from which part of the world you're working with Appen from, you have to create either a Payoneer account or your PayPal account. Guys, I hope that this information that I'm giving you today is giving you the confidence that Appen is a legit website and company, and that you are safe to work with Appen from wherever you are in the world. And they have a very good team. They have a very good team that when you have a problem with your projects, like, they respond very quickly, and they make sure that you are confident and you're capable enough to proceed doing your projects without much problems. So guys, the other thing that is very important is that, look, your invoices need to be submitted. You're an independent contractor with Appen, and your invoices do need to be submitted at the end of every month for you to be paid for the work that you have done. All right, and guys, having I've said that, I hope I have answered much. And if you need to learn more about Appen, guys, all you have to do is Google Appen, and website itself is going to answer every question that you have. So guys, if you're having doubts about Appen, I hope that this is a sign for you to join Appen and start earning money from the comfort of your home, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please consider to subscribe, like, and share this video if you know there's someone that can benefit from it. See you in my next video.